Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? Children, as you know, today we are going to start our theme 5 book Holiday. Holiday. Whenever we talk about holiday, what is the first thing come into our mind? We are going somewhere, right? To go somewhere, we need a vehicle, right? We can't walk and we can go everywhere. We can go and move in our surrounding by walking. But if we want to go somewhere, little bit of far away, you need a vehicle, right? That's why in holiday theme we will start with the transport. But before I will start with the transport, there's a very beautiful rhyme in your book. And you can understand by seeing my screen, it is about bicycle. So when you open your holiday theme book, page number 4040, you will get this rhyme. Let's recite the rhyme. One wheel, two wheels on the ground. My feet make the paddles go round and round. Again, one wheel, two wheels on the ground. My feet make the paddles go round and round. The handles keep me it straight. I ride down the lane and through the gate. Yes. The first transport that we have everyone in our life, that is our bicycle. Yes. Bicycle means which has two wheel. When you are very small, you might have tricycle which is having three wheel. Now bicycle. You can see in the picture bicycle means two wheels. And in that we have to paddle round and round, then it will start moving. Now this is my bicycle which is have one wheel, two wheels on the ground. My feet make the paddles go round and round. The handles keep me help me to keep it straight. I ride down the lane and through the gate. Yes. Everyone, I hope everyone of you knows how to ride a cycle. If you don't know, it's not to worry. You will learn very soon. Now, this is the first transport of our everyone's life. This is the first thing we write in our childhood. When you will grow up, you will also think this, yes, this is your first ride, first transport. Now, today, as I have told you, in our holiday theme, we will talk about transport. So, let's discuss. So, first, I will discuss the transport. There are three types of transport: land, water, air. Now, what is land transport? Land transport means which are running on road or on track. Let me explain. Road. You know what is road. Everyone has seen the road. Land transport rides on a road like car, bike, school bus. Why I am saying school bus? Because here you can see the picture of a yellow bus. Yes. Any kind of bus, any kind of truck and train. Yes. Train which rides on track. That's why I said track. So land transport means which is riding on land, means road or track. Now you have seen so many land transport every day because we are staying on the land only, right? So we have seen car, we have seen bike, we have seen scooty, bicycle, truck, bus, tractor, even train also. Now, as I said, if I want to move somewhere, I need transport. But what kind of transport I use? For example, if I want to go to nearby market, so maybe I will use my bicycle or my scooty or my motorcycle, right? But if I want to go little bit far and I want to buy so many things, I have to buy so many things. There will be maybe 2-3 bags and it will be very heavy. So what I will do? I will take my car, because in car I can keep more things, right? So children, what is the purpose of our going out? It depends which kind of transport we are going to use. किस काम के लिए बाहर जा रहा है, किस काम के लिए एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जा रहा है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू वांट टू शिफ्ट from one house to another house and you have to carry all the household things, can you put them in your bicycle? No. Can you put them in your motorbike? No. Car? No. So that time we need a truck. We need a truck. So it is important what is the purpose of moving out and which purpose we are going to use which transport. Now example, I want to go to my native place and it's far away. So if I will take my car, it will take so much time. So, but I want to use land transport only. So I will go by train. It will be convenient for me. For bus, we can move in nearby area. If I don't want to use my personal transport, I want to use public transport, I will use bus. So this way, land transport also, what is the purpose? It depends which transport we are going to choose. Right? Now in your book, when you open page number 43, you will see all this land transport, land vehicles, car, rickshaw. Have you seen this kind of rickshaw? 1 minute. I will show you. This, I am talking about this. Then bicycle, train, bus, truck, scooter, animal cart. Yes, this is animal cart. You might have seen horse cart, bullock cart, then camel cart. So many animal carts are there. Now, if you want to go to your grandparents' house and they are staying far away in your native place, which land transport you are going to use? Train, because it will be convenient. If I take my car and they are staying far away, it will take more time, more days to reach. But if I take a train, I will reach much more faster. So as I said, whenever you choose a vehicles and you decide I will go by land vehicle, air vehicle or water vehicle, which is available where I am going, which is very useful or which is going to help me. So according to that, I will choose my transport. Now the next one is water transport. As you hear the name water, you can understand all these transport are sailing on water. Yacht, boat, ship, cargo ship, everything. Now one thing is here, that is this submarine. It is a water transport which can rise under the water and above the water also. Yes. Submarine is such a water transport which can ride under the water also. So submarine, other than submarine normally we don't use for our transport. It is used for some special occasion, special function that when we will grow up, you will get to know. But yes, boat, ship, yacht we can use to transport. We can move from here to there. Now there is a cargo ship. Can you have you seen the cargo ship? I will mark it. Wait. This is cargo ship. Cargo ship means if I want to send something, the big thing, some big furniture from my place to another place, and water transport is easily available. If I want to just now I said ki I can use truck, yes, but I don't want to use land transport. It is maybe it will take more time, but if I will use waterway, then my things will reach sooner. So I will use cargo ship. Cargo ship actually helps to transport big things from one place to another place in through waterways. So children, we don't use water transport so much here because sometimes we are using for fun and not so much. Daily life we are not using, but I am sure you might have seen few of them in your real life. Now again we will go to a book and we'll see some water vehicles photo are there. So boat is there, then yacht is there, submarine is there, raft is there. So children, can you tell me, have you ever seen any of them? Just think, you might have seen. Now we will come to the air transport. The last ways. Transport. Air transport means you can hear, as soon as you hear the word air, it means it is not riding on road, it is not sailing on in water, it is on the air, means sky. Aeroplane, helicopter, these two are very common. Hot air balloon, some places have hot air balloon people are using for fun. Fighter jet, you know, our soldier using these to fight enemies. Now rocket and airship is totally different thing, that is actually they're using for space. Scientists are using. When you will grow up, you will know more about these things. In this air transport, children, we have only, most of us have seen aeroplane and helicopter, right? Remaining hot balloon maybe you have seen, but of airship, rocket, fighter jet, everyone has watched through TV, even me also. But aeroplane and helicopter we have seen, and this is the very common air transport. And in a book also some pictures, same picture is there. One glider is there. Have you seen the glider? It is also an activity people enjoy to glide in the air. So you might have seen this also in the television. Now among these, I'm sure you have traveled sometimes in your life through air, through aeroplane, and some may have used a helicopter also. Just think, have you ever seen this air transport in real life? Have you ever traveled in this air transport? Just think, children, this three transport is very important, and as I said, for all three transport we are using as per our convenience. For example, I want to visit my native place and I want to reach today itself. So instead of land transport, instead of train, I will take a flight, means I will use aeroplane, because I will reach today itself. So this, as these three transport are there, we use all the three transport according to our need. जो हमें चाहिए वैसे हम यूज करते हैं. Now we will talk about more about this transport in your next session. So till then, bye, take care.